Well, it's come to my attention that some of y'all never had sausage, gravy, and biscuits before. Hard for me to believe, really, but I'm going to show you how I do it. As you can see, I just got the little Dutch oven. This is just like an 8-inch or 2-quart Dutch oven, and then a little 8-inch pot right here. I'm going to use my Lodge stand right there too. Just preheating everything. Just want to crumble it, get it all crumbled up and browned, but basically 90% of the way cooked, or all the way cooked. It doesn't matter. All right, I'll be right back. I gotta go wash off my spatula. In my opinion, these are the best frozen biscuits. I'll show you what they look like. They're big. Put these on the top. 20 minutes. Remember to spin that thing every once in a while. It's not even heat, you know. This is just plain old flour. I'm gonna put about 1.5 in there, I guess. Always can add more later. It's hard to take it out though. I'm only gonna pour about a cup of milk in here, and I'm gonna go very slow. It's not a good idea really to pour cold liquids in your hot cast iron, so just do it slowly. It's starting to thicken up nice. That's probably about a little bit more. So I'm a little bit more than a cup. Just gonna keep stirring that. It'll get thick. I put my timer on 15 minutes, even though it's supposed to be 20 minutes, but I want to make sure I check it, 5 minutes before they're supposed to be done. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Oh yeah. I'm gonna let them go 1 more minute. This is just some peppercorns and sea salt. Perfect. God, I can't wait to eat. All right, let's go get those biscuits. I can smell them. When you smell them, I know they're ready just from the smell. Oh yeah. Perfect. Mercy. Some good stuff. What? Oh man, do you always do this? Here. Well, what do you think? Well, I better get to eating the rest of this breakfast because hot gravy's good and cold gravy is not good. So I'm going to finish the rest of this, but I do want to say thanks. I appreciate you hanging out with me for a little while I cook my sausage gravy and biscuits. And check out those other people doing cast iron cooking videos. There's a lot of them out there. Lots of good stuff. So anyway, until next time, you know, I have 2 biscuits left and a lot of gravy. If you were here. Anyway, see you later. Bye. Well, you didn't show up. I had to finish it myself.